In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to list your wedding business on the Wedding Experts. If you have not created any kind of an account on the Wedding Experts, you will start with going to the button at the top that says Advertise with Us, and you will click on it. Then you will scroll down the page and it will land on listing options. These are the options for listing your business on the Wedding Experts. For this demonstration, I'm going to do the most popular, the Platinum. And all you do is click the pink button that says Start Today. Then a screen will load that is going to literally walk you step by step through getting all of your information listed. At any time, you can edit your listing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you need to leave something out or you're not exactly sure what you want to put there, it's okay. You'll be able to edit it. So let's start with the title. And for this, I'm going to use a mock account. We're going to scroll down and we are going to pick the categories that match your business. Now, with your Platinum listing, you get 6, and it says that right here. The number of categories will be different. So for this mock wedding business, I'm going to mark catering and bar service. And as we scroll on down, it will ask you if you want to pay monthly or if you want to pay for the year. And then below that, it will give you the options that you can use for payments. Once you've selected what you would like, you can go ahead and you can click Continue. On the next screen, it's going to ask you to set up an account. You're going to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and you're going to create a password and then put a check here for the reCAPTCHA that you are not a robot. And then you'll hit the Submit button. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit Submit. This is where you'll land after hitting the Submit button. It has pulled through the title that we put in, as well as the categories I selected. Now, if there's other categories you want to add, you can do so by just clicking the Select button that you offer cakes and confections. And you scroll down and hit OK. Now it has added the other category. You can put in a brief summary description here. You will see below that it tells you how many characters you have left. Again, this is a brief description here in the summary. Then down below is a detailed description. You can use as much room as you need. You will also see in this section, you can add pictures in here in the description. You can do bold, italic, underline. You can change your font, your size, your coloring. You can really personalize this how you want. And then next is keywords. Now we're going to come back over here to the right hand side, but we're going to keep going down the page. So keywords. You'll put a keyword in and comma. So catering. Let's do wedding catering, comma, and you'll see it gray shades your keyword. Let's do wedding cakes, comma. Okay, when you get up to 10 keywords max. Now we're going to enter the contact information. You'll put in your email, your website URL, which is your website link, your phone number, an additional phone number, your address. If for any reason, when you put this in, it does not pull your location correct on the map, you can change your reference point for your listing. Your social networks, your Facebook page, your Instagram, your Twitter. And then you can use the icon section. And this could be maybe you offer live music. Maybe you just want to call out something that you have. Maybe if it's free Wi-Fi. There are several options, and you can use these icons that are in here that are available. Next up, you can do hours. So you can select your day of week and your start and end time. If you want to do detailed SEO, which I recommend that you do, you can put an SEO title, which could be a more descriptive title, your page name, SEO keywords, which are different than your page keywords. And then you can do a description that is just for SEO, search engine optimization purposes. Now, before we click the save button down here, let's go back to the top. And over here on the right, let's talk about your options. You can add photos to your listing on the Wedding Experts. You can add video. And you can actually paste your YouTube link in here. You don't have to upload a separate video. You can put a description about your video. You can attach a different files. Say you have a brochure. You can upload a PDF of the brochure and put it right here. Say you have a pricing sheet. It can be a PDF, a DOC, like a Word doc, or the other version of Word doc, a DOCX, a text file, a JPEG, a GIF, or a PNG. Those are the formats that are acceptable. And then you can hit choose file to find it on your computer. Once you're done, you come to the bottom and you hit save. Now, once it's saved, this is going to take you to your dashboard. And one thing that I'm going to explain to you here is, with this being a tutorial about creating your listing, if you ever need to edit your listing, when you get to your dashboard, you can click the edit button. And it will take you right back to the screen like you saw when you set up your listing, to change any information, to add additional information, change out your pictures. Anything you want to do, you can do. When you're done, you go to the save button, and it then saves it, and you're back into your dashboard. Once your listing is approved by a member of the Wedding Experts, it will be live on the website. Of course, it must be paid for before it goes live.